Oh, the course has changed the way I looked at practice in a way that I've never even thought. I've learned a great deal of sports massage, therapeutic massage, but the quick techniques and the easier application for my body to give the massage has been very eye-opening.
The humor that the instructors brought was probably the biggest factor to it. There's a lot of information, as there is in any good course, so if you keep people amused, if you give them anecdotes that allow them the techniques to stick in your head, if you allow the class to cut up and relax and enjoy themselves, that makes the whole difference. So the humor that was in the class.
I'm in the process of opening a new clinic, which is why I came here. This is catapulting me twofold.
My practice currently is mostly relaxation with some treatment. With the medical massage training that I've received, I anticipate that changing to about 80% medical massage over the next 2 years. I'm in a place where word of mouth is everything. That's how people come to you, that's how people know me. And when they find out the skills that I've incorporated into my practice from what I've learned in this course and how I can actually take them from where they are in pain and put them back into being able to be functional and doing what they want with their lives, they're going to be sending everybody in. It's going to be great.
I believe that medical massage will have a tremendous part in my practice. Matter of fact, I plan to make medical massage the main thrust and the main modality of my practice. I'm going to advertise myself as a medical massage therapist.
The most important thing I learned was the ability to bill insurance, was a dollar value, and that as efficient as I thought I was in working, I can be more efficient. And I was already pretty efficient.
I'm planning on implementing what I've learned on my first treatment coming up Monday morning, and I'm going to be starting to do this starting in the coming weeks. So I'm going to be implementing this stuff immediately because it's too good to keep back from the people that I want to take out of pain. I mean, how can you let them suffer when you know how to help?
I would recommend this course for every massage therapist because of the ease it is on the therapist to apply the practice to their clients. Also the benefit to your practice as far as building clientele, earning more income, being more respected in the field that we're in.
I am going to recommend this training to all of the massage therapists in Oakland. Matter of fact, I believe that once they see me and what I'm doing, that's going to speak for itself.
I'd recommend it to other people because it's going to allow you to take your practice to the next level. If you've been wondering why people don't get better, if you've been wondering why you're doing the best you can and you're working hard and you're only getting to plateaus with people, the answers are right here in this course. They're going to show you how to take it off, not just to the next plateau, but beyond plateaus, where you're just working with what needs to happen to get the people better. And as we know, one person gets better, 10 more people come in from them. It's a wonderful thing.